Hello, hi, welcome, namaste. I am Preeti Sajdeva from Parenting with Preeti. And as you all know, that I have started a podcast talk show, Joyful Journey, Your Path to Happiness. So today I have a lovely guest with me. She is a wellness coach and a communication coach, Mrs. Sandhya Lal Chalapalli. So hi Sandhya, thank you so much for coming and accepting my invite.
Thank you so much. I feel very blessed to be here. Thank you so much.
Me too. Thank you so much. And one more thing I will add that she is the one who has given me the inspiration to start this podcast and a very lovely friend, very down to earth girl. So
I am
before
so
we,
happy that you're doing this.
thank you so much. So before I dive into the topic on which we are going to talk about, I'm going to introduce something about Sandhya Lal. She is a wellness and a communication coach with over 2 decades of media experience, including the roles of CNN, Zoom TV, and Times of India. Certified in special education needs, she has been a deep parenting for 4.5 years, a wellness influencer on Josh with 26K followers. She actively spreads awareness across social media. Sandhya has won the Millennium Divas Women Power Award in Wellness, wow, and the UNIMO Women Rangoli Award in Parenting. As a Pinkathon fitness ambassador, she promotes holistic well being. She is a co author of Me No Pause and runs the Digital Savvy program, helping others build their brand and navigate their digital world. So, thank you so much, Sandhya, once again for coming with a different profile, interesting and different profile.
No, the thing is, as a media person, since I have been doing a lot of stuff, I think everything blends in. And when we talk about parenting, everything blends in together. So, as
Yes.
a parenting coach, that is one of the primary things that I do. And in parenting, there is wellness. You need to know that in the new age, the digital parenting, and that is very difficult today because digital. सब लोग बोलते हैं यार digital world है, लोग phone use करते हैं, people are using the laptops. So you are connected to the digital world. So yes, I kind of diversified into different things to help me become a better coach.
Lovely,
Though
lovely.
I come from the journalist background, so there's always a journalist inside me. Anchoring comes naturally from inside. So being on the other side and being asked questions today is a little different for me. But I'm thankful that I'm here.
Lovely, lovely. Even I am blessed to have you here. And since I have mentioned in her profile also about digital, so the topic is also about protecting your digital footprints effectively. Now, when it comes to the footprints, हम लोगों को ये पता है कि पैर के छापों को footprints कहा जाता है, right? When it comes to a digital footprint, when I was having a conversation with Sandhya on phone call and she told me that I'm going to talk about digital footprint, तो मेरे दिमाग में ये आया ये digital footprint क्या होती है? हम लोगों ने पैरों के छापे तो देखे हैं जब investigations होती हैं या कुछ ऐसे crimes वगैरह होते हैं, पुलिस जो है पैरों के छापे ढूंढती है किसी ना किसी के, लेकिन digital footprint क्या होता है? I'm seriously curious to know about this, Sandhya. What is this?
So we all know, I don't know how many of you are watching this today use a mobile phone. Yes,
Yes.
pretty user, you use a mobile phone. You
Absolutely.
use a laptop to get connected to the internet.
Right.
You have an email account. Some of our children play video games. We are online playing cyber games with us, which is on the net, not just on our phone. We are watching programs on TV using smart TVs. We are
Right.
using Alexa. We are using Siri. We are using AI. We are using a lot of tools to basically connect to the internet.
Right.
Now, when you are connecting to the internet, what you're leaving is your digital trail.
Okay.
Whatever you search, whatever you do, whatever you say, whatever you post, whether it's on your social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, if you are connected to the net
Mhm.
with whatever device that you are using, you are leaving a digital trail, and that is your digital footprint.
Okay.
In short,
Wow.
so जैसे आपने कहा था कि अगर crime आपको, if you want to solve a crime, right, you go, what you go and do is look for prints. एक तो fingerprint होता है
Right.
जो आपका यूनिक फिंगरप्रिंट होता है. Your mobile phone and your laptop, whatever computer you're using, they also have a print. They have a IP address, और आपका जो एड्रेस होता है, that is all put into the server. So whatever you are putting is being, it can be surveyed, and if anyone wants information on you, They just have to go onto the net and they can get any information about you online.
Okay, means someone has to be very vigilant while using these things.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Very alarming and very interesting topic also, because I want to
Which
explore
is why
more
one
about
needs
it.
to know, one needs to know how to take care of that digital footprint.
Yes, yes. And why does it matters to have this? मतलब ये क्या हो क्यों जरूरी है, ये सब चीजों को जानना जरूरी क्यों है?
अगर आपने क्राइम किया कहीं पे,
Mhm.
right, and you don't want to get caught, what will you do, Preeti? You'll wipe off your footprints, you'll try to wipe off the blood stains. अगर
Right,
सोचो,
right,
let's take a murder case, right?
right, right.
So you have left stains and people know कि यार ये बंदी आई थी या बंदा आया था यहाँ पे, this person was there, he has left his trail.
Right.
Now the same thing is, अगर सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलो तो आपने एक ट्रेल छोड़ा है कि आपने ये किया हुआ है,
Mhm.
आपने जाके किसी के बारे में खराब बोला है इंटरनेट पे, यू हैव स्पोकन समथिंग बैड अबाउट समवन, इट कुड बी अबाउट अ सेलिब्रिटी, इट कुड बी अबाउट अ पर्सन दैट यू नो, इट कुड बी अबाउट एनीथिंग, यू आर लीविंग अ ट्रेल ऑफ हाउ यू स्पीक, द लैंग्वेज यू यूज, the content you're putting, the person you're following, the person you're doing. So it leaves a trail. And what it does is it shows you, it basically it shows you as a personality कि आपका personality क्या है. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे यार मेरा ये इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू, माई पर्सनल लाइफ इज डिफरेंट एंड माई वर्क लाइफ इज डिफरेंट. बट टुडे if you go to companies, many companies ask you to share your social media profile.
Right.
There was a lady who was going to the US to
Mhm.
study,
Mhm.
case study, okay? She was going to US to study. The university asked her to send all her social media links.
Okay.
So all her social media links, जो भी आपका Facebook हो, Insta हो, and it can be searched and found. You may be keeping it private, whatever, but they want your social media links. आपका LinkedIn होगा, आपका Facebook होगा, Twitter, Instagram,
Right.
Snapchat, whatever you have, everything has to be sent. What you're doing on the net.
Right.
Looking at their profile, she didn't fit into their ethics,
Okay.
क्योंकि उनका एक ethics committee होता है.
Mhm.
And she was rejected admission into the university she wanted.
Oh my God. So it's a
Yeah.
seriously a very alarming thing कि मतलब सोचने जाओ तो वैसे
And
कुछ नहीं होता,
these
लेकिन इन डेप्थ जाओ तो इट्स बहुत कुछ है.
That is one. And recently, most recently, probably a couple of months back, in Mumbai, I don't know how many people are watching from Mumbai, but in Mumbai, there was a principal, school principal. She lost her job. She was a Muslim lady.
Mhm.
But some 8 years back or 10 years back, there was something on Palestine, and she wrote something or followed it for something she liked.
Mhm.
That point of time, that time there was no Palestine war happening, and nobody thought that it would get into this whole thing of Palestine and Iran.
Right, right, right.
And overnight, suddenly someone, God knows where, they went and dug up and searched some information about her, and they got to know that she liked this thing. And overnight, the next day, she was asked to leave and put in her resignation and made to leave. The parents, many parents were not happy because she's been the principal for so many years,
Right.
and she was doing a fantastic job. So they were not taking her off because she was bad at her job. They were taking her job because she was pro Palestine or she was pro this or pro that. So what you're posting, what you're putting plays a very important role in your work life tomorrow, even as children, So that's what.
राइट 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 सर, मतलब इंसान का कोई उस टाइम पे इंटेंशन होगा भी नहीं किसी को हर्ट करने का या कुछ ऐसा करने का, वो उस टाइम रियलाइज नहीं होता, बट जब वंस थिंग्स हैव गॉन थ्रू, सब कुछ हो चुका है, उसके बाद दे आर रियलाइजिंग कि हाँ ये चीज की वजह से ऐसा हो गया. राइट.
Bilkul. So the thing is, you don't know how the post you're putting today will affect you 5 years or 10 years down the line.
राइट राइट राइट. Absolutely. It's very
That it can
alarming.
even affect you the next day. Because there have been cases where people have posted something and after 3 days, they've had people come and beat them up because of what they've posted.
Right, 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 right. So with connectivity to this only, I would like to ask कि ये अवेयरनेस क्या सिर्फ बच्चों को होनी जरूरी है या सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल्स को ही होनी जरूरी है या सबको होनी चाहिए?
Digital footprint and your digital awareness is required among everyone. So it's not that only children and adults, because adults use more social media, they are more connected with a lot more stuff. They are more opinionated. So there's a lot more opinions coming from adults than children. Children probably will be on a gaming app or maybe Insta or maybe on a social media or something like that. But even what they're posting on social media, it's very important as a parent to know. I always tell parents that if your child is only above 15, should they be given and allowed to open an Instagram account?
Okay.
Actually, Instagram says 18 plus, but you see children who are in class 5, class 6 having Instagram accounts today. Okay, one is that you're putting a child into danger. The second is that this child may be posting things which are not right, maybe wrong, which could get the child into trouble. Right, your digital footprint again, what you're leaving on the trail. Right, क्या डाल रहे हो, bullying डाल रहे हो. So there is a. I remember. This is a fact. Okay, this has happened, and there's the school. There we had a case study where the child came home and was crying and very upset, and she's like, "Mama, I need an Instagram account." So the mom said, "Why do you need an Mama? Do you have an Instagram account?" Says, I don't have an Instagram account. Why? What happened? Says, आप तो बड़े से आप बहुत boring हो, आपके पास Instagram नहीं है, आप मेरे पास भी नहीं है. I'm not fitting into the crowd. Nobody likes me because I'm not cool. I don't have a digital account. I do not have a thing. She was very depressed. We didn't know why. Then after talking to her, we realized there was cyberbullying happening. मतलब क्या होता है कि जो बच्चे ने इस लड़की का नाम और एक दूसरे लड़के का नाम डाल के, there was a rumors page which is running about the school, which was on Instagram. And the Instagram, they were running these things. This one is going around with this one is sleeping with this one. मतलब they were spreading rumors which are not even true.
True, right.
And that affects the children.
Right.
Cyberbullying. Now, your child is doing this. There is a child who's running this Instagram account, which means the child can get himself into trouble and he can get rusticated from school if the school gets to know about it. Then the school was informed. Then the student was informed that this is not right, and they had to take down the account. But that child has left his digital footprint that he was there on this, and this is what was done. तो आप निकाल दो, but server पे है. So for children, another one with adult. Adults में क्या होता है कि हम लोग जाके, like I said, we put our views and we cannot take them out. You may delete it, but it stays. Once you put it on, it stays. I think a movie which everyone should watch is Ralph Breaks the Internet. It tells you how the internet works. And it is scary when you see it. My daughter, she watched it when you watch it as a small kid. Small kids watch it. This is very fun. It's an animated movie.
Okay.
But when you watch it as an adult, as a counselor, when I started watching it, I saw it from a different. It is your digital footprint. If you want to understand digital footprint, you should see that. What you buy, what you do.
Right.
Hello?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Yes, yes.
Hello?
Hello. Can you hear me?
You're there?
Yeah. Your video is stuck.
Preeti?
Yes,
Are you there?
Yes. Hello.
It's paused.
Hello.
Am I
Hello.
paused or you're paused?
You're paused.
I
Hello.
think. Okay, now started?
Yep.
Okay, I think there's like technical glitch. Okay, yeah, you're back?
Yes. So you're
Okay.
talking about the adults की जैसे वो purchasing भी करते हैं तो उसमें भी
So आप अगर simple सी बात है, okay, have noticed your phone. I talk about digital footprint, simple thing. This is another case that we've seen, live case. I went, this I'm talking about me. I went with my father to buy a laptop. Okay. And we went to the shop. I will not name the shop, but we went into a shop, one of those branded shops which sells laptops. So we went inside and I asked my dad, what's the laptop you want? We saw the laptop. I opened my phone and I searched for the laptop and the details and the specifications and all of that. My dad didn't do anything. My dad didn't even search for it. He didn't open his phone, nothing. We got out of the shop. And immediately both of us start getting messages. Do you want to buy a laptop? Are you searching for a laptop? This is the best laptop available. The sale is happening. And after 2 days, after a day, he gets a message for the exact laptop that we were searching for.
My goodness. Means only for the
So this is
searching
first
only.
time.
मतलब आपने number वगैरह भी किसी को कुछ नहीं दिया. Only
मैंने
for
कुछ
searching.
डाला नहीं. I have just gone, and this happens to everyone. You see on Google. If you see, that is how your digital, आपका GPS on रहता है, right? So your GPS is also leaving a footprint. If you go to your Google Maps, you can go and trace everywhere that you have gone. Today, crimes are solved. How are crimes solved? By using the phone.
Right.
It is your digital footprint. आपका सिम कहाँ पे चला, कहाँ पे बंद हुआ, कहाँ पे ऑन हुआ, आपका गूगल मैप्स पे, wherever you are roaming on your Google Maps, like you go to a restaurant and eat, right? And you say, wow, I love this place. आपने जाके चेक इन किया कि मैंने यहाँ पे, और टैग किया जगह को, करेक्ट? आप अंदर घुसे, निकले बाहर, आपको टैग आ गया, आपका जीपीएस में आ गया कि you have visited this place.
Okay.
And your entire trail will be there. If you go to your own phone and check up on your Google Maps, you can go and search the locations that you have been to.
Okay.
And it will also show you, now the Google Maps also shows you in which area you have roamed the most.
My goodness. Means
That is your digital footprint.
गूगल मैप का अगर क्रॉस भी है तो कौन सी हुई है? मीन्स इफ यू वांट टू गो टू सम प्लेस देन यू नीड टू एक्टिवेट योर गूगल मैप, नहीं तो आप उस जगह
Correct,
पर नहीं
absolutely.
पहुंच नहीं पाओगे. एंड देन इट हैज दिस
Correct.
आल्सो नेगेटिव इफेक्ट आल्सो. माय गुडनेस, दिस
So
सो
it is already traced कि यार आप वहां यहाँ पे गए, अभी आपने चाइनीज ऑर्डर किया, तो you see your phone, you just observe, it is a simple algorithm, the internet works on algorithms. और ये आपका फुटप्रिंट है, जो आप जो भी डाल रहे हो, आप सर्च कर रहे हो, बाय कर रहे हो, you are searching the internet, you are putting yourself there, available.
राइट राइट राइट.
और बॉम्बार्डिंग, फिर आप बोलेगे मुझे फोन क्यों आता है, मुझे तो नहीं चाहिए था, बट योर फोन ऑल्सो हैज अ वॉइस रिकग्निशन, सो इट इज पिकिंग अप योर ऑडियोस.
Yes, yes, yes.
And जब आप Alexa और Siri यूज करते हो, so there was a case, another case that had happened. We're talking about Alexa and Siri, right? This person used to order everything online. कि Alexa order this, Alexa इधर से order कर दो, Alexa. It has made life easy, no doubt. But this was on throughout. So suddenly there was a discussion happening between the husband and wife कि कल हम लोग को ये मंगाना है, हम लोग को ये मंगाना है, ये मंगाना है. The next day everything arrived at home. And this is हम
My
लोग ने तो
goodness.
मंगाया ही नहीं. So Alexa has done your shopping for you because it's on all the time. आपका जो smart TV है, आपका जो Siri है, whatever you're using AI today, you have to be very careful of what you're doing. And the digital footprint is going to get even more crazy with AI coming in.
Yes, this can be
Because there's artificial intelligence.
right.
That could go into another talk itself.
So true, so true. Acha, one personal question. How many kids do you have? And so,
I have two daughters. I have two daughters. One is 15 in the 10th standard, and the younger one is 7 in the 7th standard, and she is turning 12 next month. So
Wow.
we are in the teens. And so
Teens.
when I'm talking about how to handle the media, when my daughter told me I want to start an Instagram, she was the only one in the 10th standard who didn't have an Instagram account.
Okay.
So she was the only one, and she says, "Mama, I want to start." And I was like, "Listen, don't get into it, because what the other thing that happens is that children get affected with negativity much easily." Agar socho, she's a singer, she's a fantastic singer, she sings very well, she plays the guitar. So I told her, "See, if you put it up and someone doesn't like your post, will you be able to accept the fact that someone says you suck? आप इतने बेसुरा क्यों गा रहे हो?" अगर किसी ने बोला आपको, आपने अपना यू पुट इट ऑन यूट्यूब, किसी ने बोला आप, एंड वी लव टू पुट डाउन पीपल मोर देन अप्रिशिएट पीपल. आप मीम्स देखो, कितने मीम्स आते हैं, हम लोग हंसते हैं बिकॉज इट प्रोबेबली इट इज अ सेलिब्रिटी, बट इट इज नॉट आवर चाइल्ड, इट इज नॉट आवर फैमिली. When you are laughing at a meme, think of it that if your child or your family member was in that meme, how would you react? Would you forward that meme to someone else? You wouldn't. So even if your child is going to get into the social media, or you need to make them aware that what are the pros and cons, what are the things that you should not post, you should not do cyberbullying. So don't put anyone down, don't backtalk, don't be negative, and all of this kind of stuff.
Absolutely. The way you were discussing now, I thought so कि तो आपकी मतलब children होंगे इस age के, that's why you have so much practical experience of that also, कि बच्चों को कैसे
Yes.
handle करना, उनको समझाना कैसे. Right. And this reminds me one more thing also. My daughter is studying in 4th standard. अभी इसका पीछे ना स्कूल में annual function हुआ था, where she got a prize also for the award also for the previous year. तो पूरा थीम ही जो है वहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन का जो रखा गया सीनियर क्लासेस में, पूरा सोशल मीडिया का ही वो रखा था, तो कि अवेयरनेस के लिए. व्हाई? बिकॉज द चिल्ड्रन आर अबाउट टू गो फॉर द लाइक्स. आज हमारी पोस्ट पे इतने लाइक आए, आज इतने फॉलोअर्स आए, आज हमारा ये, तो आज हमारा वो, एंड दे गेट
It's
सो
not,
मच.
it's
प्लीज.
so likes is not just for children. Why are you starting a podcast?
राइट.
Because you're hoping that someone will like it, someone will watch it, right?
Right.
इट्स नॉट दैट यूर डूइंग इट बिकॉज मन की खुशी के लिए आप कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आपको चाहिए कि लोग आपकी बात सुने. नाउ you have to realize is digital footprint can be used in a very positive way. What you're doing is bringing out a very positive change. You're using it in a positive way. आप ऐसे उटपटांग चीजें नहीं बना रहे हो कि I've seen the maximum number of views on any video. I'm part of Josh, which is an Indian, like you said,
Right.
26,000 followers I do have.
Right. Right.
But the person who has 181,000 followers is the person who makes videos of slapping people, beating people, falling down, those kind of videos, you
Hmm.
know. So person like me who does things like talking about, wellness and, अपने आप को संभालो, learn
Right.
to take care of yourself, that doesn't get views. बहुत कम व्यूज मिलते हैं उसमें. बट आपको
Definitely.
आप देखो, आप किसी की भी, यू सी हाउ डज समथिंग गेट वायरल. कुछ खराब हो जाता है वो वायरल बन जाता है, कुछ अच्छा होता है वायरल कभी नहीं होता,
Right.
बहुत कम.
So
So
true.
that is again your digital footprint. And why are we on the net? Is because you want that like button. And like button happens when does a child want a like button? When does a child want a heart button? Is when you are not liking your child and when you're not telling your child that I love.
Yes.
You are you are going there for a satisfaction. कि यार मुझे कोई घर पे नहीं बोलता है कि मैं अच्छा काम कर रही हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं बोलता है कि यार यू आर ब्यूटिफुल, सो आई वांट टू लुक प्रिटी एंड आई विल पुट इट ऑन फेसबुक. भले मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे नहीं बोला, बट मेरे फ्रेंड्स हु आर देयर, माय फॉलोअर्स विल टेल मी, हे यू लुकिंग हॉट एंड हैपनिंग, एंड आई फील वाओ, आई एम हॉट एंड हैपनिंग because someone else has told me I'm hot and happy. But
Right.
my whole thing is, why do you need someone else to tell you that you're hot and happening? You should be hot and happening yourself, or you should be pretty yourself. And the same thing with children. Right, your digital footprint, what you're posting, आप कैसे ड्रेस करते हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो. So as a wellness coach, I'm very aware of what I'm posting. I party with my friends, but I can't go and show myself drunk or having drinks.
True.
Everyone has their, it's not that I'm not saying don't lie, I'm not saying lie to the media, it's not lying, but it is about being smart in what you're posting. अगर सिंपल सी बात है, there was a gentleman, I was talking to this person, he said यार I got a pink slip. I said क्यों, क्या हुआ? He says नहीं, मैं तो I just I went for a, I told my office that I was not feeling well and I need 2 days छुट्टी. तो मैं छुट्टी लिया. तो I said फिर क्या किया आपने? He said नहीं, मैं तो I went to some dam and we were in the water and having fun, और मैंने वहां से लाइव कर दिया,
Oh.
फेसबुक लाइव या इंस्टा लाइव उसने कर दिया. अभी कौन देख रहा है आपका इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक? आपका बॉस.
Right.
तो आपने स्कूल में बोल दिया कि आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल, आई कैन नॉट कम टू स्कूल, बट आप डाल रहे हो कि आई एम हैविंग रामेन नूडल्स इन अ रेस्टोरेंट.
Right.
आप अपने टीचर, जो आपके टीचर आपको अगर साइलेंटली फॉलो कर रही है, आपके फ्रेंड्स फॉलो करते हैं, बोले मैम शी डिडंट कम टू स्कूल बट शी वाज ईटिंग रामेन इन दैट रेस्टोरेंट.
Right.
के फ्रेंड्स आपको फॉलो करते हैं, आपके फ्रेंड्स ही आपको बोलेंगे कि भाई शी दिस व्हाट शी विल डूइंग. सो यू हैव टू बी अवेयर दैट व्हाट यू आर पोस्टिंग, व्हेन यू आर पोस्टिंग, हाउ यू आर डूइंग इट.
Right. Right.
It's very very important. Like for me, I make sure I'm very conscious of what I'm posting. So simple thing, I'll give you a simple example. How I got to know that I was depressed. Okay, I went through a phase where I was depressed. I showed that I'm a happy person. But say 5 years back, I was going through severe depression. And my Facebook posts were very angry posts, depressed posts, sad posts on heartbreak and whatever XYZ, जो भी है, मतलब घर, I was not in the right frame of mind, right? And I went to my pediatrician. My pediatrician became a very good friend of mine. So he used to follow me on Facebook. He said, Sandhya, there's something wrong with you. And I was like, what? He says, there is something wrong with you because your Facebook posts are not happy. You are showing that you're a very sad, depressed person. And I was like, no, I'm not. He says, yes, you are. And I burst out crying because I realized that I was sad. I was very depressed. So my posts were like that. What I was posting was coming out as a negative person. So then I went for a he said, please take a psychiatric help. So I did take psychiatric help. I got out of it. And I realized that I was wanting love, or I wanted attention from the net. And then we realized that we need to do it with family. And we worked out relationship. So it's like it happens. Har miya biwi mein jhagda hota hai. But you should also have love. And you need to tell your wife that, listen, you're looking pretty. Children learn from what you're doing.
Right.
If you are on the net, if you are posting on social media all the time, your child is also going to want to post and say, when you can do it, why can't I?
So good, so good. So heartwarming story you have shared about yourself, and it takes a lot of courage to share like this. Means जो आपने बताया अपने बारे में कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे इस ट्रॉमा में भी
So,
गुजर के
so,
वापस
in,
निकल के
so
बाहर आई.
initially, like, no, like what I'm saying is like initially when I was on social media, when I started my programs, when I started doing Facebook lives, and when I started designing my own programs on parenting after all the stuff, I used to not get likes. And that used to make me upset. I was like, यार मैं इतना ट्राई करी हूँ, कुछ नहीं आ रहा, लाइक नहीं आ रहा है. फिर मैंने छोड़ दो, मेरे को नहीं बनाना. तो फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 3 months I stopped doing it. ऐसे नहीं करना है मुझे. Nobody likes it. And then I said that, then I thought to myself, is why am I doing this? I attended a program on wellness and I figured out that I need to love myself first. When you start loving yourself first, and when you start doing things for yourself, then this digital world will not eat you up.
Absolutely.
And you have to be smart in the digital world. It's very important because it can lead you to depression. It leads children to depression. It leads adults to depression. It leads to fights also. Why? अगर आपकी फ्रेंड ने डाला कि मैं अपने हस्बैंड और फैमिली के साथ स्विट्जरलैंड छुट्टी पे जा रहा हूँ, आप नहीं जा रहे हो, आपको कैसा लगेगा? जलन होगी कि नहीं? It is natural thing that you will get jealous. Yeah, how can she go for holiday and I can? They both are in the same office. My husband and her working in the same office. They both have almost the same salary, but her lifestyle is so lavish, right? But we are not posting that we are fighting.
Yes, yes, yes.
तो आपका जो डिजिटल प्रोफाइल जो आप दिखा भी रहे हो जो लोगों को, वो भी थोड़ा सा फेक है, थोड़ा सा फेक है. So what you're seeing is, don't believe everything that you see. At the same time, what you're posting, be smart about it.
सो ट्रू, सो ट्रू. मीन्स आप इतनी छोटी सी बात में ना आपने पेरेंटिंग टिप्स भी दे दिए. आपने रिलेशनशिप मेंटेनेंस का भी वो दे दिया कि जब तक आपको घर से अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिल रहा है, देयर इज नो नीड टू गो फॉर द लाइक्स फॉर द आउट्स फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड. एंड आज के टाइम पे भी अगर
Correct,
लोग,
absolutely.
आई हैव सीन, जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह भी होते हैं, यार कितने लाइक्स आ गए, कितने व्यूज आ गए. अरे भैया क्या होता है उससे? आर यू, इफ यू आर अ बिजनेसमैन देन यू विल गो ओनली फॉर द लीड्स. मतलब लीड आपका जनरेशन हो रहा है देन इट्स फाइन, चाहे वो 4 लाइक से ही हो रहा. अगर आप थाउजेंड्स लाइक्स और 1000 फॉलोअर्स लेके बैठ रहे हो और फिर भी आपका काम नहीं बन रहा है, देन व्हाट्स द यूज ऑफ दैट? इट्स गोइंग टू गिव यू डिप्रेशन ओनली आफ्टर दैट कि हाँ मैंने इतना मेहनत किया, सब कुछ किया, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी मुझे वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा, फॉर विच आई स्टार्टेड दिस. मतलब जो आपके
Correct.
कॉन्वर्सेशन से मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में आई ना, कुछ कुछ मैं अपने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी ये चीज़ रेजोनेट कर पा रही हूँ. So it's really a lovely talk with you. And as we have come to the end of this, so I would love कि आप थोड़ा मतलब इस चीज़ के लिए बताओ कि कैसे इन चीज़ों से प्रोटेक्ट हुआ जा सकता है. These were the things कि लोग ये करते हैं, बट हम इससे प्रोटेक्शन में कैसे आ सकते हैं? मतलब कुछ ऐसे टेक अवेज आपके साइड से, कुछ एडवाइस.
First thing, like what you can see on my screen, is boss your mind. Right?
Yes.
You can see boss your mind.
Yes.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज, आप अपने मन की स्थिरता को रखो. सिंपल सी बात, अगर आपने अपने मन को कंट्रोल कर दिया, देन यू विल बी कंट्रोल्ड इन व्हाट यू आर पोस्टिंग.
Right.
If you're angry and you post, never post when you're in extreme emotions. Extreme emotions मतलब extremely happy आप post करोगे. Sometimes there was a case that happened. There was a boss and he was in such a happy state that because the company made so much a profit, that he said the next raise and bonus, I will give everyone 100% bonus.
Okay.
जब बोनस का टाइम आया, बिकॉज ही वॉज इन दैट हैप्पी रिलेटेड
Right.
मोड ऑफ हिज, तो
Right.
जब फेसबुक लाइव चल रहा है, कंपनी का लाइव जा रहा है, स्ट्रीमिंग हो रहा है, उनका कंपनी स्ट्रीमिंग जो होता है, वहां पे उसने बोल दिया, अनाउंस कर दिया कि भाई आई एम गोइंग टू गिव 100% रेस टू एवरी एम्प्लॉय इन माई कंपनी.
Right.
When the time for raise came, he didn't give even 50% raise.
Okay.
So now these people have gone back and said, this is what you said.
Right. Right. Right.
Right?
Very good.
So very important is, even when you're very happy or you're very sad or you're very angry,
Angry.
do not post.
Even in
And when you're
confusion.
posting, simple thing is, when you're posting, think if someone posted this about your family, about your husband, about your child, about your brother or your sister or your friend, how would you react?
So true.
That stops negativity. Because क्या होता है, अपना negativity में हम लोग बहुत आसानी से कर देते हैं. तो उसको कर्ब करो. Think, do I need to post it? Is it necessary? A simple thing is it necessary for me to post it? Is it needed that I tell the world that I am getting? बोलते हैं लोग मुझे कहते थे, तू क्यों अनाउंस करती है, नजर लग जाएगा. बोले ऐसे नजर कुछ चीज है नहीं. But then I realized that sometimes you should not post. You should put it after it is done. Not हम लोग we always say नजर लग जाएगी, ऐसे मत बोलो. It's not nazar, but it's about I think sometimes people may be jealous.
Right.
And someone may sabotage your plan. So it's very important to think before you put up something, think before you post, think and imagine what you're following, see what you're following, whether it is worth doing it. Cyberbullying, try and avoid. As parents, make sure you are following your children.
Right.
Get digitally savvy. That is what I do for parents and teach them. मुझे नहीं आता Instagram, मुझे नहीं आता Facebook. सीखो भाई, सीखो Instagram,
बिल्कुल
सीखो Snapchat, सीखो Facebook, सीखो, and follow your children so that you can tell them, listen, this is what you posted is wrong, please pull it down, don't put it, it is not good, with an explanation, not because I'm the mother and I'm right,
right,
because this is wrong, and tell them the reason, pros and cons of why you're saying don't post this kind of post, you get yourself into trouble, it is not right. So three things: one is boss your mind, be happier, you will be putting happy post. Second is think whether if I put this post or if someone else posted this, will it affect about my family, how would I like it, how would I react if it was for my family, my friend, my sister, my brother, my immediate loved ones. And the third one is do not post when you're in high emotions, whether happy, sad, or angry.
right. So valuable tips you have given, Sandhya, in such a brief talk show. और ये टॉपिक ऐसा है, मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं इसको मतलब और स्ट्रेच आउट करती जाऊँ एंड इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे डिस्कशन इज गोइंग टू हैपन देन। मतलब एक इतना इन डेप्थ है ना इस टॉपिक के अंदर नॉलेज के लिए और अवेयरनेस के लिए दैट 30 मिनट्स 40 मिनट्स का ये टॉक शो भी
I
शायद
take
थोड़ा
two
कम
hours.
पड़ेगा।
I take 2 hour live sessions, 2 hour sessions on this with
Wow.
people, with presentations and content, and also when you said half an hour, I was like, oh my god, ये half an hour में क्या बोलने वाली हूँ मैं? इतना सारी चीज मुझे बोलनी है. So I have tried to be as crisp as I can, and I hope I have made sense in whatever I've done. So
Absolutely.
yes.
You have given such a wonderful tips on this, and I would love ki if you people have any queries regarding digital footprints or how to come out of it or what are the awareness of it, you can definitely join Sandhya's program. And I'm going to tag her everywhere in the social media. मतलब जहाँ पे कर सकती हूँ ना मैं tag इस चीज के लिए
Of course, absolutely.
तो इसके लिए I'm going
Absolutely. Another
to
thing, another very important thing is when you are
yes,
tagging someone,
yes, yes,
ask the person permission. I forgot to say that. That's very important. We have this habit of tagging the entire world. So if you're going to tag someone, ask permission, can I tag you? Even you're
yes,
posting someone's photograph, ask them, is it okay if I post a photograph? I completely slipped my mind, but since you said tagging, तो मुझे याद आ गया. Yeah,
right.
over to you. Sorry, Preeti.
No, it's fine. Thank you so much. And I'll be posting this everywhere. She'll be there for this, and I'll post her link also जहाँ पे ये programs होते हैं. So if you have any query, you can directly contact her. You can speak to her. You can sort out your queries also. So thank you so much, Sandhya, for giving your time. And I know it's an afternoon time. ज़्यादातर लोगों का relaxing time होता है, but I took your time also. So thank you so much for coming. And you also just be blessed and keep safe.
Thank you so much and God bless. Namaskar and Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Yes.
Thank you.